The quality of clarity and wisdom seems straightforward, but would you give us some more insight into the benefits of clarity and wisdom in our lives?
You see, in life, our life, a lot of time we get in big trouble and worry and drown in our life emotionally is because our mind is kind of clogged up, it's not clear, doesn't have clarity, it's not clean, so we make poor decisions. And therefore we stress and have anxiety and depression unnecessarily. So that kind of like the clarity is really critical, just to have that clear mind, you know, and the wisdom allows us to understand what basically helps us, what benefits us and benefits others. So we don't make really wrong decisions and cause harm to ourselves and others.